pin guide is the starting point of every chrome guided smile surgery. Its only function is to deliver the fixation base. The pin guide is fabricated on a master cast, fits perfectly on a master cast, and should subsequently fit in the mouth. During surgery, the pin guide is assembled to the fixation base and is locked together with chrome locks. And then once the labial flap has been performed, the pin guide is held in place firmly. It's verified through these occlusal windows that it's fully seated, and then with it held firmly, the doctor drills the sites transcortically, 1, 2, 3, 4 in this case, and then a pin is placed in every site. With all 4 pins in place, the pin guide is now removed. And the rest of the surgery continues. The pin guide.